this video, we showed how to replace the OCP on a PowerEdge R7725XD. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover air shroud risers 3, 5, and 4 removed from the system, to remove the OCP, lift up on the latch, securing in place, and then press it out to the back of the system and slide it out. To install the OCP, align it with the rear of the system and slide it all the way in until fully seated, then press down on the blue latch to secure it. For more information about the PowerEdge R7725XD, visit dell.com/support.